Welcome back to Ali Mac Mechanical, and today we should be looking at what I bought from the auction. And I think you're going to be surprised because a lot of you thought it was a lawnmower, although it does relate to lawnmowers. So we'll have a look. I have two engines. I'm on the understanding that this is either a Viliers or a GAP. Not 100% sure. I think that's a 4-stroke. It certainly has a hole for oil, so not 100% sure. I also have another, I think it's a 4-stroke with a broken plug lead. Shouldn't be too hard to fix. Another here for oil, so I'm assuming it's a 4-stroke. It has some oil in it, so no petrol tank with this one though. When it turns over, it has compression, and it's quite good. It's quite hard to hold this and turn it at the same time, but so let me move on to what I believe are, I'm not actually sure what that one is at the back there, I haven't had that one out yet. Viliers midget, I believe. Also a midget, I believe. Midget, I believe. Another midget. Part of a midget. Another Viliers midget at the back there. I think that's it there. That one has broken coil lead 2 going to the plug. It's too hard to fix. This one is the same. Most of the leads are broken on them. There's another one at the back there inside the car. It's inside the car, I'm storing them at the moment. Bear with me and we can have a look at this one. This one has wheel on it, missing fuel tank. I believe that would be decompression. Not sure, maybe you can help me. There we go, turn that one round. So I believe that also to be a midget. So not 100% sure. I won't be keeping them all, so if anyone's interested in purchasing any of them, let me know. That one there says Suffolk on the side of it, so Suffolk Iron Foundry. I'm assuming, as I say, they're all Viliers of lawnmowers, rather, not Viliers. This is definitely a Viliers. It turns quite well. To be fair, this one looks like it would run now. It's missing a throttle. There's one here has a throttle on it. It looks to be the same carburetor as that one. Also fuel line on it. So I wouldn't say that's the original fuel line. I'd say somebody's been changed that. Fuel tap. I also got that strimmer, and there's another strimmer engine there. Not sure on what that is, but they're not really interesting to me, to be fair. Little engines are more interesting to me. As I say, I wouldn't mind. I might take that one out and put a bit of petrol in it and see if we can get a fire out of it. Even if we just take the carb off here and put it onto that one and just fill it with fuel, or even put a spray of fuel into the housing there, and we'll see. Right, leave it with me just now. We'll have a wee look. I would say that is a 4-cycle as well, 4-stroke. With broken plug lead as well. Most of them seem to have broken plug leads. I had bids on other things as well, but unfortunately I wasn't as lucky to pick them up as I picked these up. I've only got 4-star 2-stroke mix at the moment. Else I might have put some petrol on that one to see if that one would run. Unfortunately, as most of you know, anyway, I don't have a shed here, you know, so most of my work is done outside. That turns quite good as well. Good compression in it. No rattles or clangs of it. Look what you're hearing there is me turning it round, coming up to good compression. Don't know, like I say guys, maybe you'd be interested in purchasing one of me, or you know, nice little engines. There's one there, and I believe that's a brass top. That's the same as my Seagull. It's brass. It's the Viliers engine that's on the Seagull. That other one's brass as well. Very interesting engines. I don't think there'd be too much wrong with them. There's a bit of damp in that one, to be fair. Maybe need dried out. Probably doesn't help by sitting inside an old car, although the car does run. So leave it with me and I'll see if I'm getting a spark off them. I could rig these up somehow, but that one looks most apt to run the same as that one, except the bad carburetor on it. As I say, I could swap the carburetor off that one onto that one, and I think it would probably run. Excuse me, I think this just screws off rightly. That's it. That's a choke. The choke that's the exact same as the Seagull engine. I could probably get that to run without a carburetor at all by undoing the bolt, which isn't very tight, to be fair. Bear with me a second. Because this does come off, if I remember rightly. What I know about them. Oh, there points. I think if everybody's watched Martin Retro's video. All the points are in there. You can see some bury in the shaft here, so that's definitely been off. They are bad for coils going on them. Let us know what you think, boys and girls. Leave us a comment. Get back to me. Maybe you want to see me get one running. I mean, it wouldn't take me that much to rig up something to get this one running, I don't think. Carburetor spring looks like probably need freed off and cleaned. Screw that back on with one hand is a bit hard. I wonder what happened to that. They all look to be different eras. I was told, usually dated around about here. I'm not seeing no date there. If you can see a date pointed out to me. I'm not seeing anything. Let's be back around to the original point. As I said, the ball got fairly good compression. Like, a wee bit of work, they'll probably come back to life. I think that's the worst one I've seen, and that's just because it hasn't got the head. It's just a piston. The rings probably clean, you know. Piston's not the worst. Don't know, as I say, what the era is. Even the this one's totally. That's maybe why it was taken apart. It's lock solid. So this one says 52. So I take it that to be. I'm trying to get that in focus so you can see it. I just really want to focus up. But believe you me, it says, actually, sorry, it says 12th, 55. It says RB 8, no, not 8, 2 BAF 2L 1255. Right. Well, if it was as easy as that to do, we could maybe. No, that's still got a cover on it. So, what does this one say? Is there any markings on this one? 54. So that's. What does that say? 7254. 2 PSA. I'm sorry, I'm holding these at all different angles here, right? Most of them are stamped. So that's it. Very good compression. I believe they would run, you know. I believe that would probably run too if I put the plug back on it. Bear with me a second. I'm gonna pause you a second. Sorry about that. I just want to put that cover back on. It's all about trying to keep it all tidy and neat. Anyway, as I say, it's a bit damp to be digging about outside, but I believe that will probably run now. I think I've only got 2-stroke. I've only got 2 strokes, so I'll try and hold that there so you can read it. Okay then, folks, let me know what you think, and if any of you are interested in buying one of them off me, you know, obviously I don't want them all. I mean, I would like to hang on to one, but you can talk that through with me, and we'll take it from there. I might even try and get one running, as I say. So, thank you very much for watching just now, and don't forget to leave me.